We have the 2011 Ford Taurus SEL. The customer came through like a couple months ago, and got this muffler deleted back here, and we installed these chrome tips. That was about 2 months ago. Today he said, I wanted a little bit more noise, so we removed the resonator. That's on the floor right there. Simple job, guys. This does come with 2 resonators, one here and one here. This is the one we removed. Should give it a little bit more increase in sound, maybe 5–10%. Again, if you want, he could do today, and a couple months from now, the other resonator. He also has a cat that we won't be able to touch unless you put like a high flow cat or something like that. But again, resonator delete, muffler delete, chrome tips. Guys, we have merch available at muffyd.com. We're also franchising, so if you want a great business opportunity, go to gexhaust.com. All right, let me know what you think in the comments.